a service called Foood App, and we actually found out about them this weekend and sent them an email last night at like midnight asking for an API key, and they sent it back to us. So yeah, so those three work together pretty well. And so we're going to demonstrate it. You can go to it right now. We can, yeah, live. You can go to it in your own browser at weekend.daaku.org. So D is in dog, A is in apple, A is in apple, K is in karma, U as in the letter U, and then .org. So weekend.daku.org. And here we go. That's what you should be seeing now. Okay, so if you have Fire Eagle, you can go ahead and click on the Fire Eagle badge. If not, you can enter a location in a freeform string.
Any location?
So you can enter any location, but I gotta say, for this weekend app, we tested it with this one.
We'll pretend in lane.
So it worked for that one. It worked for that one, yeah. Okay. Yeah. There we go. So the Fire Eagle one works. So now these are all the restaurants local to Crittenden, to the location stored in Fire Eagle. So if you click on one of those, then you can bring up the menus for that if they have a menu. Okay. So yeah, so that's the general idea. And then if you click on one of the restaurants, then you'll see. Okay, if they have a menu, then you'll see the menu items. You would see the menu items. You can click on one of those, and you would see how your friends had voted. And you can also vote. So it's a quick way. If you're going to a restaurant, you can if you're using Fire Eagle, they're going to bring up your location. You can see the restaurants nearby. You can see what your friends like at those restaurants. And that's it. Yeah, you can.
Let me give you guys one where.
So yeah, sometimes you have issues with the auth cookies, so clearing them.
Yeah, we have a bunch of debugging.
Okay. There we go. Okay, so confirm with Fire Eagle, exact location. Okay, so here we go.
No, this is your account.
Okay.
Keep us submitted.
Please try the app if you have it up in your browser. Sign in or something. Okay.
Foods is the name of the
Good cookies. There we go. Confirm.
Can you tell us what all open social APIs you used? Or
yeah, so so the idea is to use the REST API for with MySpace, right? But MySpace, I think there's a bug right now. We were talking with some of the folks in MySpace, and we need to get a callback URL, and it's not being honored right now. So we went with Yahoo's data set. So Yahoo implements the open social JS API, and we're using Yahoo's REST API to get social data.
Oh.
So that's it. So we're using. We intended to use the OpenSocial REST API for OpenSocial 0.8. Very few platforms implement that. We went with the one that did. That one was having bugs, so we went with Yahoo's social data set. That's it. Getting our front-end code. There we go. Okay, so that's the menu of Quiznos for this local area. If you click on one of those, and you can see how you would vote. You have can you roll up to So if your friends have voted on it, then we can suck in that data too. Right. But it's a matter of synchronizing it with our dev boxes and the
Good.
Okay. I think that's it.
Thank you.